All right, on this one I'm going to do like a Queen Anne's lace, and typically Queen Anne's lace are white, and it's really hard to paint a white on white paper. But we're going to do it with a slightly grayer than we did the other day in class. But the first thing we're going to do is to make the stems, and I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is a 3 to make the stem, and the stems often are a little bit wiry. So I'm going to kind of make a curve. I'm going to make one over here too that just kind of is going to be a little bit droopy. So I'm going to make it just a little bit wider at the top. And this one comes in front. I'm not sure exactly what kind of leaves they have, but we're just going to leave it like this. All right, now with the very tip of my brush, I'm going to make the spokes. And so to do that, I'm actually this time going to kind of scoop out like that. I put a slight curve in there so that it'll over here. They're going to kind of do the same thing, go out this way. Generally on the back side of it, they're going to be shorter, so it'll be a little shorter on this side and longer over here. This is the side I'm seeing. Not wild about this one, but that's okay. All right, while that's drying just a tad, I'm going to get a little bit of clean. I'm going to get some blue over here and make a gray. Hopefully. Not great at this, but we'll try it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this orangey color to it. Yeah, and I'm getting a little bit of a gray. It's kind of a purpley gray. Add just a touch of that. Okay. And then I'm going to get it over here where I can get it nice and on these a little bit tricky to paint. And like I say, that anytime you're trying to make something that's generally a white flower, and you can't use white on white, so they're actually not a pure white. You could probably use some sort of pale yellow or something like that. I'm doing this so it'll show up for you. And this is a painting, right? Get some artistic license. Okay, I'm gonna just add a little bit of different. Let's just pretend we know what kind of leaf they have. I'm going to do a little bit of a jagged leaf. There. All right, so there we've got that.